said enough. Take my hand and we're headed up. I'll take it from here, come sweat it off. Shut me up cause I've said enough. Take my hand cause we're taking off. I'll pick it up from here, come get it off. For real, you get me lifted. Other women don't betray what you're depicting. Get impressed cause you say you can't predict it. Something brand new in every single vid.
Alright you guys, so we made it inside of the airport. This is my first time flying, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but not really. I need to go to the bathroom. Look at babe, he's so excited to be getting on this plane. He's rushing, honey.
What's my party?
Huh?
No bag.
My bag right here?
No, that's the one. You're not gonna do that. This for this.
Brent, which one? This is my first time. So I don't even. Oh, it's at the bottom.
It's to close it, that's the problem.
You gotta wait in line.
It's been a long time. Alright guys, so we're all checked in. I think we're checked in.
Cigarettes in the bag.
Oh no.
Built into the bag. You just have this one bag in checker?
Yeah, could this one go on the
As long as it doesn't have any liquids, yes. Let me see your ID.
Okay. You said it can't go on there?
You can't, as long as it doesn't have any liquids.
Electric.
Any liquids in
Oh,
the bag.
liquid. You got liquid in it?
No.
Okay.
Would lotion be something? You guys, I'll see y'all. Because this is, you gotta really pay attention. So I'll see you guys soon. My fiance so serious. So I don't know if you guys hear me, but these are my hair products away. I didn't know. Never seen.
Oh,
Alright, so we're about to get ready to get on the plane. Look. No lie, I'm a little nervous. I was still nervous in my seat, trying to come down, but don't know why I feel like I'm about to get emotional. I wish you guys could see my smile. Like, I'm kind of really happy.
Oh, you going by the window, right?
Oh my god. You guys.
You got the charger in your purse or where's the charger?
I think the charger is in your bag.
Oh shit.
Unless it's in my bag. I think it's in my bag. You will have to check. You guys, so I'm happy right now. But when this plane take off, honey, I'm not about to be looking out that window, I don't think. Usually he get me to face my fears, but I don't know. How you feeling? How you feel? Look at him.
I'm good. I'm good, baby.
What you about? Look at him. So he's about to watch Netflix. I got my earplugs, so I'm probably about to listen to some music because I don't want to get too scared. Huh? Say they service no food. So we'll see you guys when we take off. Everybody's seeing names. The flight attendants is names. The pilot even smoked a smile. So I'm so scared.
Boarding door is now closed, so please make sure to put away large electronic devices. Small handheld electronic devices may only be used in airplane mode. So everyone, do please put your phone into airplane mode. This is not a request. Put it into airplane mode. Thank you. Hey, stop. Power? Let me
Finally use the airplane for
okay, I'll ask you to reset
Welcome to your American Airlines flight. On its way to our many destinations across the globe. Made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason. You. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions. Safety on your phone. First, make sure your seat is upright. All large electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seatback device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of it. Larger carry-on luggage goes to the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you are seated in an overhead exit, your window shade must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and permanent signs and crew member instructions. All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. The card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. But of course, don't hesitate to ask our crew members questions. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits on the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. Take Take a moment to locate the nearest one, and keep in mind it may be behind you. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, life rafts are located in marked ceiling compartments. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag is not inflated. Life vests are located under, next to, or between your seat. For help locating them,
Alright, guys. Oh, how cool.
Delta is better.
Look. I don't know. Thank you. You guys too. Ooh, pineapple, I'm about to fall over. Miami, here we come. So we're about to go get our jackets, our suitcase. Super happy, super excited. Okay. What are you going to Alright, so we got the bag, and I'll see you guys when we get in an Uber or if we're at a hotel. So, yeah.
So what did I do?
Alright, so we got the bag, and I'll see you guys when we get in an Uber or if we're at a hotel. So, yeah.
Baltimore.
Staying for 5 nights?
Yep.
I see that your reservation is for a petite room, sir, with one full-size bed. Would you like to upgrade to a room with double the size of a king